Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to restore the database in SQL Server. So in order to kickstart, I will take you through an GitHub repository. So this is a GitHub repository. I will share this link with you. So here it is a backup database. There is a database called soccer_db. Okay, now we want to download it and restore it in our SQL Server. So how can I do it? So first of all, I will click on this soccerdb backup database and I will click on this download raw file. So once you click it, then it will be downloaded to your local folder. So here I have downloaded this soccerdb backup file. Now I will copy this backup file and first of all I will open up this SQL Server. Okay, I have connected my database and good to go. Hooray! Now second thing is I will go to the C drive in programming file in Microsoft SQL Server 16. I'm using it. Then backup. In this folder I will copy my soccer_db backup file. So it is approximately a 7.5 GB file. Now close this thing and go to your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So once you have opened up, go to the database and click on restore database. So it will open up one pop-up file. Now in this case you have to click on this device in the three radio button, then add a file. So it will ask you to the location. So here I have put up in the location MS SQL backup. So I will open up this backup file, say okay. Hooray! So you can see database soccerdb successfully restored. Now you can see in the left hand side soccerdb database has been restored. Let me just drag down. So I will see the number of tables. How many tables are there? See, there are so many tables are there. Okay, let me take one sample detail. Let me take this sample table called dbo.goal_details. Go to the select top 1000 rows and hooray, here you can see the detail of this goal detail table are there: id, goal id, match number, blah blah blah, everything. So here you learn how to restore the database in SQL Server. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Your support is very much important. Thank you very much. Bye.